Hi, we're going to talk about subtracting fractions. And again, in fourth grade, when we add and subtract fractions, we're going to talk about a like denominator. So the number in the whole is going to be the same. So in this example, we have 5, 6 minus 2, 6. And again, let's think about a candy bar. And originally our candy bar or our whole had 6 pieces. Somebody already ate one of them. And so this isn't a whole that we're looking at, but we're looking at, we had 5, 6 of our whole that were there. We subtracted 2 of the 5 pieces that were left. And so now we still have 3 more parts in our whole available. And so now we have, after eating or using or taking away 2 of the 6 pieces, we now have 3 of the 6 pieces in our whole left. And as you can see, we have, that is the same as 1/2. Now, another example using improper fractions. So we have mixed fractions, because we are mixing one whole and a fraction. An improper fraction is something like 9/7, where you have more than one whole in your fraction, and so your number on the top is bigger than the number on the bottom. That's an improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. Lots of vocabulary to keep straight. So we have 1 1/3, and we took away 2/3. So I always like to relate it to food or something that the students can relate to. So for example, here we've got 2 pizzas. And so we've got a whole pizza, and then we've got a pizza that originally had 3 pieces, but it only has 1 of those 3 pieces left. So we have 1 1/3 pizza, or pieces of pizza. We're going to eat 2 of those 3 pieces that are available in the pizza or the whole. And so we take 1 from this whole, and then there aren't 2 in this whole to take from. And so we need to regroup, or we need to go back to our other whole and take 1 from there. And so now we are left with 2/3. And so in fourth grade, it really helps them to think about visuals, and so to draw out the pictures, and then to actually show taking 2 of the 3 pieces away, to help really understanding that there are 2/3 of the piece left. Another way you could approach this is changing this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So if there are 3 in your whole, 1 whole would be 3/3. So that would be the same as 3/3. And if I add that to the 1/3 that we also have, now my fraction is 4/3. See, of the 3 pieces in a whole, we had 4 pieces. And then if I subtract 2/3 from that, then I'm left with my 2/3. So that's another way to look at how to solve this problem.